In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ClickUp, a fantastic project management tool that helps teams stay organized and productive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. To get started with ClickUp, the first thing you need to do is head over to their website. You can do this by entering clickup.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming homepage that introduces you to ClickUp. It's pretty straightforward, really. When you get to the site, look for a button that says Get Started, It's Free. Click on that, and you will be on your way to creating your account. So, go ahead and click on that button, and that will lead you to the sign-up options. You'll be presented with a prompt to either sign up with Google or to enter your email manually. If you choose to go the Google route, click on the Continue with Google button. After that, select the Google account that you'd like to link with ClickUp. This makes the process super smooth, as you're automatically logged in with all your details pre-filled. Now, if you'd rather not use Google, don't worry. You can simply enter your email address and create a password for your account. It's all about what works best for you. Once you've typed in your email and chosen a password, make sure that your password is strong. You want it to be secure, so consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've selected your sign-in option, ClickUp may prompt you to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification link and click it. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have access to the email you're registered with. Once you've verified your email, you'll be redirected to ClickUp, where you can now set up your workspace. Here's where the fun begins. You'll want to customize your space according to your needs. When you log in for the first time, ClickUp will guide you through the setup process. It will ask you questions to understand what type of projects you're planning to manage and how you plan to use ClickUp. Take your time answering these questions, as this will help tailor the experience to suit your workflow. Next, you'll want to create your first project. ClickUp's interface is user-friendly, so click on the plus icon, typically found in the sidebar. From there, you can start naming your project and defining its scope. You can add team members if you are working collaboratively, or simply keep it to yourself for personal projects. After setting up your project, it's time to explore ClickUp's features. You will notice that you can create tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and even track time if that's part of your workflow. The tool is very versatile, accommodating everything from simple to complex project management needs. Another helpful tip is to explore ClickUp's integrations. This platform works seamlessly with other tools you might be using, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Trello, to name a few. So if you have tools you're already familiar with, ClickUp can help streamline everything into one cohesive system. Before wrapping things up, make sure you take the time to personalize your workspace further. You can change themes, set up notifications, and even adjust your dashboard settings. Making ClickUp truly yours will not only improve your experience, but also enhance your productivity. And there you have it. Signing up for ClickUp is straightforward, and once you're in, you can set it up to meet your personal or team needs. Don't forget to explore all its incredible features that can really help in managing tasks and projects effectively. Remember, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy organizing, and I hope you enjoy using ClickUp.